2017 Jaguar F-Type S, 3.0 liter supercharged V6. Put C8 wheels on it. Nice wide stance. Let's show you guys what we got done on it. It's got stock converters right there and right there. 2.5-inch pipe. And what we did is deleted his mid resonator and installed an X pipe in its place. There'll be a link in the description for it. All the way back, and then into his stock muffler that's valved on its own, vacuum actuated, into his existing stock tips. And here's a stock resonator that we took off of it right there. Let us know what you guys think. Should he delete the muffler after this, after hearing it? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And as always, make sure to subscribe. Oh, wow. That's the idle. Idle's about 70 decibels. That's good. Here's sound decibels. One more. Peaks at 103, and that's just with the resonator delete. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should you have done the muffler delete as well? Comment below. If you guys don't know, this is our beautiful shop. We're located at 3560 Dickerson Pike in Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call at 615-612-6244. Now it's in dynamic mode. Go ahead.
Definitely a little deeper. Quiet when the wife drives, so that's good.
Yep.
Perfect.
'17 Jaguar F-Type S, 3.0 liter supercharged V6. What do you guys think of these? Sexy wheel setup.